Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Realme GT5 just launched few days ago. Fast refresh rate 1.5K OLED display, Snapdragon flagship processor, superb in design, 240W super fast charging and many more. Today I'm gonna show you unboxing and first impression of the Realme GT5. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. The Realme GT5 box has the branding on the top and highlighted its impressive 240W charging support. When you open the box by removing the plastic or lifting the lid, you will first see a cardboard box. Inside this cardboard box, you will find a good quality black protective case, a SIM ejector tool, a user manual. Additionally, there is a 240W power adapter with a Type-C output that also supports PD charging. You will also find a white color Type-C to C cable in the box. That's everything included in this packaging. The color you are referring to is often called flowing silver fantasy, but it's a more of a grey color that resembles liquid metal. The model is custom made with a black panel entirely made of glass, including the camera area. The glass curves smoothly from the edge to the top, creating a seamless and elegant design. In the past, this type of design was something called the impossible R or miracle glass. When you look at it from the certain angles, you will see it's a strong shine and the smooth glass surfaces. The entire back is integrated in this way, and even though previous design had a similar concept with a glass back, this one takes it a step further. The camera area is also covered by a single piece of glass, creating a sleek and unified look that exudes a sense of modern technology and aesthetics. To the right of the camera, there are a section that resemble the design of the previous model, giving it a sense of continuity. Inside, it looks like there is a circuit board, and right in the middle is what appears to be the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. However, it's there mainly for aesthetics and doesn't serve any additional functions purpose. This time, there is an added RGB light strip feature, and there are a total of 4 awaking halos. You can customize these lights to your liking. For example, you can set them to be always on, which wasn't possible before. You can adjust different color from the RGB light strip. In the GT mode, you can choose different effects like breathing or rotating. When listening to music, there are more dynamic options such as syncing with the music beat. The RGB light offers a various gradient effects and styles, including a cool jumping flash effect. Additionally, the RGB light can be configured to respond differently when you receive a phone calls from the different contacts. In addition, unique and customizable touch to the overall design and feel of the devices. The body of the phone is 8.9 mm thick and weight is 205 grams, which is quite normal. The back design is really comfortable, and when you hold it, your thumb and index finger fit perfectly in the curved area, making it extra comfortable. Unlike some previous models that removed the screen bracket, the Realme GT5 has a screen stand which gives it a more premium appearance and positioning. So if you see a phone with a screen stand, it typically indicates a higher end devices. If you want to rate the appearance of the Realme GT5 on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate it? The Realme GT5 features a 6.74 inch OLED screen with a high 144Hz refresh rate and a sharp 1.5K resolution. The bottom chin of the screen is impressively small, measuring only 2.31 mm. The side bezels on the left and right are also very narrow, making the chin appear slightly wider to the naked eye. However, when you consider all 4 sides of the phone, it still qualifies as the device with the high screen to body ratio. This combination of the large high quality display and minimal bezel contribution significantly to overall appearance and appeal of the phone. The Realme GT5 is powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which is supported by up to 24 gigs of RAM and 1 TB of storage. In Antutu benchmark testing, it scores over 1.64 million points, showcasing its impressive performance. When running demanding games like Genshin Impact, it maintains an average frame rate of 59.9 FPS at the highest quality setting, running nearly at the full capacity. What sets it apart is the addition of the features like the Geek Performance Panel. This panel allows you to customize the performance of the phone's CPU cores. You can adjust the small cores from their default 1.7 GHz up to 2 GHz or higher. Similarly, you can customize the big cores and super large cores for even better performance. Additionally, the phone has an independent display chip that enhances the picture quality to 1.5K resolution and supports a super frame rate of 144 frames per second. This combination of the high resolution and the frame rate make it ideal for the gaming like Genshin Impact, which is typically run at the 60 frames per second. The result is the smoother gaming experience without noticeable lag. In terms of camera, the Realme GT5 has a 3 camera. The main camera uses the Sony IMX890 sensor, which is quite familiar. There are also a ultra wide camera with the Sony IMX355 sensor and the macro lens. When it comes to the video, the IMX890 sensor is still the primary one. The phone continues to offer a street photography mode, which can be used for the capturing photos in specific urban setting and styles.
And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. So tell me, oh, will you believe? So tell me, oh, will you believe? So tell me, oh, will you believe? So tell me, oh, will you believe?
The Realme GT5 comes with a 240-watt charging capacity, which they call the longevity version of 240-watt. While it's not dramatically different from the previous version, it still represents the highest achievable power for the Type-C circuit. In a simple charging test, it took about 11 minutes to fully charge the battery. But keep in mind that the charging times can vary depending on your specific testing environment. There is also a 150-watt version of the Realme GT5 with a larger 5200 mAh battery capacity. The 240-watt version, on the other hand, has a 4600 mAh battery. After a moderate to heavy 2-hour test, a battery life remained 85%. For the pricing, the base variant of the Realme GT5 with 150-watt charging start from 2,999 yuan in China, which is roughly 330 pounds in the UK. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.